Hi everyone, let's take a look at this wonderful picture and tutorial. Here I teach how I create this stunning artwork. Yes, if it's your first time to come across this channel or page, don't forget to hit the follow button or subscribe and stay tuned for wonderful artwork. In these tutorials, as you can see, I'm going to be explaining how I create this artwork. My name is Dasunnex Art. Yeah, here I create different types of artwork, pencil, or, or some of the artwork. As you can see, go to my videos or my posts. You can check them out for more. Join this little beautiful girl was was great. I enjoyed every bit of the pencil, stroke, shade, the oil pastel, how I create the tune, the skin tune, and the hair. As you can see, yes, I use black charcoal, soft marys. Yes, as you can see, why I enjoy using this type of pencil is it gives me the solid black of the tune, trying to highlight the hair type of coilings and stuff like that. As you can see, yes. So it was really fun by making this artwork. So tell me what you think of it. You give me a like, comment what you think of it, share it with your friend that might like. You know, wow, yes. As you can see, creating the hair, trying to create. Yes, I'm done with the hair. Trying to create the effect on the earring. Have some shiny white stuff, so I'm using collision fluid to create the white effect, to add more reflection on the hair. Yes, wow, it's one thing about artwork. The more detail, the more you're working on it, the more detail is becoming. Yes, it's a pretty picture. Yeah, you see the curly hair, her smile, it's cute. Yeah, that's the part of it I enjoy very well. Yes, we'll move down to the clothes. Yeah, I think she'll wear a button clothes. I use blue, yes, to highlight it. Use black charcoal, trying to create the effect. Get some folds on the clothes. Yes, just making it darker. And to highlight it, as we come close to the end of the work, like I always say, it's the first time you come across this page or channel. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Stay tuned for more. You can share it with your friend that might be interested. Thank you. See you on my next video. I love you. I'm out. It's your boy, Dasunnex. This is what we do. Stay tuned. I'm out.